5 signs he has a crush on you. When a guy has a crush on you, his behavior towards you will usually change. However, it can be difficult to figure out. He may be acting nervous because he's shy, or flirty because he's friendly and outgoing. Here are the best signs to help you if a guy has a crush on you or not. 1. He stares at you. You probably know how hard it is not to look at someone you like. Prolonged eye contact without talking is a big tell that a guy likes you. But to be fair, it's common for guys to stare at any girl they find attractive. And it's an easy way for him to show his interest without having to approach you. But who knows, he might even have a secret crush on you. 2. He teases you. Most forms of teasing are usually a sign he's interested in you. It means he's trying to create a flirty vibe between you and that he wants a reaction from you. 3. He's getting physically close to you. If you're in a conversation and you feel like he's edging closer to you, or as if he's almost uncomfortably too close to you, that's a good sign. He may be attracted to you and wants to feel physically and mentally closer to you. 4. He smiles at you. If he's smiling toward you when you're in a conversation, that's a sign he likes you. Especially if he has a light smile while you're not even joking. 5. He compliments you. Getting a compliment from a guy your age is a good sign. If he's giving you compliments about how pretty you are, it's an even better sign. It can be hard to tell a friendly compliment from a romantic one because they can sound exactly the same. To know for sure, look for other signs he's also giving you, or describe your situation in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.